Shawnee's first flying lesson with his new helicopter. All right, bring it up. Nice. Bring it down. Too much throttle, bud. Oh, what happened? That's too much throttle. One click at a time, remember?
Yeah.
You gonna try to land it on the paper?
Yeah.
Nice. Nice. Now try to go up and down, straight up and down because of the wind. It's going to require all kinds of micro corrections. Nice. Don't overcorrect. Are you doing that with the throttle?
Yeah.
Yeah, don't overcorrect. One notch at a time.